It is Friday, May 17th. And it was gray all day. No rain though. A little bit toasty warm. We got a refill and we got some cute new stuff. So I want to tell you all about TOFT. Crocheting has become so popular. I love that. And so many young gals are teaching themselves how to crochet, or they're learning at school. And these kits are perfect for that. They are from beginner up through level 3. They are from TOFT. They are out of England. They are fabulous. Everything you need is inside: the yarn, the hook, the needle that you need to sew it, the little thread for the eyes, the stuffing, everything. It's awesome. This guy is so cute. This is Jermaine, the gorilla. He is a level 1. Jermaine is $46. So cute. So cute. Then we have Emma the bunny. Emma is $40. So cute. We have Milo the dog. He too is $40. Love Milo. Then we go up and we have level 2. This is Alice the zebra. She is $40. And we have Fiona the panda. She is $46. All right. Then we move to level 3. This one's brand new. This is Lulu the red tabby. So if you're into cats, she is $40. And we have Caitlin the giraffe. Caitlin the giraffe. She is $46. We have Sarah the Frisian cow. She is $46. So cute. And last but not least, look at this cute guy. Samuel the koala. He is $46. How cute is that? We have got some kits for you. Yes, crochet kits, TOFT, restocked. We are loaded. Now, guess what? It's early, a little bit early, but it's not a bad thing. It is exciting. Tomorrow begins our semi-annual clearance sale. Yay! Starts tomorrow, up to 75% off. Some things are 25, some are 50, some are 75. What? Amazing. It is amazing. So don't miss that. It starts tomorrow, right? All right. I think that's all I've got. Oh, I am going to Charlotte tomorrow to watch little Tyler in a play, so I probably won't be here to do a video, so I will definitely see you Monday. Have a peaceful, prayerful, delightful, restful Sunday. And I'll see you Monday.